we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Many TikTok users simply play a song from another device, such as a computer or stereo, while they're recording. TikTok will then register the track as an original sound, which other users can then add to their own videos.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.